Am I audible to you guys?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, I guess you guys haven't checked the QA implementation program. And anyone tried? Have anyone tried that program? QA implementation. Yes. Okay. Are you getting answers? Is it running perfectly? Solanke? Is the program running fine? Are you getting your outputs for the program? Other than Solanke, anyone tried that program? Logic tried. Okay. Vika said yes. Love said yes. Everyone said yes. And yes. Imamlan, Abdullah, Ritukol, Mullah. So everyone implemented the program. So have you understood the program? Can anyone share the screen and show me? Pune screen share koriba. Who wants to share the screen and show?
Ma'am, I can just wait for 2 minutes. Give me 2 minutes.
Okay, okay, sure. Kenapa iman bahirat goi thaka jay? Etu time iman pani bahirat ঘূৰি ফুৰে নে? I cannot that বহুত slow more voice connect. I9. ইয়াৰ অধীনত তুমি বিজনেছো কৰা? আচ্ছা। শেখাৰৰ কি প্ৰব্লেম? উপায় নাই, উপায় নাই কিহৰ? ডিছকাউণ্ট কৰি দিবা নেকি ফাৰ্নিচাৰ কিনিলে? আচ্ছা, কেতিয়াবা যদি কিনো। বাকী দুৰ্লভ ঋতুপল ট্ৰাই কৰিছানে? Have you then sent in WhatsApp? Okay, I'll check. COC. Acha. When you select one thing, just do the display all elements of Q2. Okay, then it will be easier for you guys to see whether it's working in the same fashion or not. Display all elements. Okay, one, two for logic. Then delete option. Delete. So everyone inserted just number one and two. That's why I got confused. Okay. COC ruler inserted 2, 4, and 6. Good. So try to delete one item too, then display again, then structure will be more clear. Anyone wants to explain the program? Program to কৰিছা? বুজি পাইছা নে নাই? Rojit, can you explain the program? Partially share. Deepa, your screen is still black.
Ma'am, you cannot see the program.
I can see your screen now, but I was not able to see the program. You can just stop sharing, then share again.
Okay, ma'am. Share. Ma'am, can you see now?
Can see the screen, but not the program. I was showing the program. Something is coming slowly. I guess my network is bad. Am I audible to you guys? Okay, I'm back. The network got disconnected automatically. Okay, I'm back. Something happened with my LAN connection. Dipashri, can you start again?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, is it visible now?
Yes. Now can.
If delete, wait, three.
Now delete an item. Hello. Ah,
Ma'am, I think there's something wrong.
and you enter your choice 5, which is a
Hmm.
wrong choice, enter your choice 3, then your key is 5. Yeah, you deleted the item. Your items were 2 and 5, 4 and 5, right? So
Yes, ma'am.
before display, you selected delete. So first item was
Oh,
your
yes, ma'am.
4. So
Oh,
4
yeah,
was
yeah,
deleted. Now it's showing 5.
yeah. Yes,
You
ma'am.
can add some more items, right? Add more items. I will send it to you. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Add 4 items.
Seven hundred
Now
three.
display the item. Okay. So your key is 5597. Now you delete one item. Display again after deleting. So
Five five
the
nine
first
seven.
was 5597. Now your queue
Five
has
nine seven.
597. So first element you entered was 5. So 5 got deleted first. So first in, first out. So now would you like to explain the program?
Ma'am, the whole code.
See, see once it's written there. When Dipashri is showing the program, others can unmute and explain too. Okay, you have that option because she is already sharing her screen and showing the program. So you don't need to do anything. You can just unmute yourself and explain. Okay. Dipashri, try to explain first. If you got stuck, then someone else can help you to understand. Go from the first first from the directives itself. Yeah.
Ma'am, from here, include
Yeah.
like the from define.
Yeah, yeah.
Um, input choice. Uh, Ma'am, how do I explain this part, like the void Q, void NQ and void DQ?
Yeah, what's happening there? What are those? Anyone else want to say what are these? Who wants to tell about this boy and kid? What's happening here in the first part? The first way seem to be a bit confused. Anyone wants to tell? Logic, logic. You said you can check.
NQ adds an item that I know, but
But what?
ma'am, like I don't have the right words to explain how the void NQ. I know that it adds the how the item to a queue, but like how do I explain the void?
You don't need to explain the word. You just need to tell what's happening here. Your main
Mm,
function is
ma'am,
starting from your int main,
this is
right? So what
yeah,
happening before that?
the void NQ. Okay, no, that's declaration of a what's that called? I forgot. Wrong. Argument. No, not arguments. Was it argument?
What are those?
Class. Oh, wait.
Anyone else want to say? What happened to others? Abdullah, what's happening here? NQ is what?
Isn't function argument? Isn't it that parameters and
Close
arguments?
enough. Close
Fun-
enough. For,
functions.
of course, NQ is a function here.
Hmm. Yes.
Then
Q. It's the calling function. I think void NQ and the here it's called explanation function. I
what's the
declaration definition. This is the definition.
which one is definition?
And this part void NQ.
Okay, this one is definition and the above part.
Um, calling calling argument.
Argument means what? Arguments means argument.
Parameters. No,
If
not
this
the
is a
parameters.
function, are you passing any arguments here?
No, argument is within the expression. Refers.
It has a
I'm kind of
particular name,
confused right
right?
now. Ma'am?
It is a particular name, right? Below that you said that was function
Definition.
yeah. And
This is
above
declaration.
that, yes, this is declaration. What's the other name of
Yes.
this?
The
There's another name,
function declaration. No.
function declaration. Correct. That one is correct. Then it has another name. Anyone wants to tell? Deepu Secretary. Deepu পাচন কি হয়? What's this? Deepashi told this is a no. Yes. Thanks. Okay. What happened to others? Are you guys alive? Deepu, Dulab, Dipamlan, Liba, Manish. Yes, you tell me. What's happening here? मनीष तुम क्लास नहीं करते हो लैब में आ जाते हो फिर भी तुम म्यूट ही रहते हो मनीष दूल्हा जिंदा है मनीष मनीष मतलब ऐसे ऑन रख के चला गया
तो मैम मेरा आवाज आ रहा है?
Okay. Okay. Manish, tell me what's happening here. Manish. Deepa, can you mute yourself for a while?
Yes, ma'am.
Just mute, no need to unshare. Just keep it like this. Just mute for a while. Yeah. Manish, हाँ बोलो अभी.
मैम केसेस के ऊपर हम लोग प्रिंट आउट कर रहे हैं ना, अगर कोई
क्या जोर से बोलो. We can't hear you.
अगर अगर हम लोग प्रेस वन अगर करते हैं तो वो एक इंसर्ट करता है क्यू में एक एलिमेंट, और मतलब हर एक प्रिंट के नंबर के ऊपर हम लोग डिस्प्ले कर सकते हैं क्यू को।
एक मुझे सच्ची में मतलब वॉइस बहुत अनक्लियर है. यहाँ पे तुम बोलो यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है. वाइड एनक्यू डिक्यू डिस्प्ले व्हाट्स हैपनिंग हियर.
क्या समझ में नहीं आ रहा?
Deepa said this is called function. What function what? Is it
जो
function definition or function declaration?
डिक्लेरेशन,
Declaration you said. Can you tell me what's the other name for this?
इनिशियलाइजेशन।
Initialization. Think again.
सॉरी मैम, कैन रिकॉल।
ऐसे कैसे होगा. দুর্লভ জ্যোতি কোৱাচোন কি হয়. দুর্লভ. Do we initialize function? Is it called function initialization? We initialize our variables or constants, not functions. Sorry day for what? You don't know. Little 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 what? Little শুনিছানে? এই মানুহটো গায়ব. মন থাকি. শেখৰ. আৰু function declaration নে definition? কি হ'ল কাৰো যে মাত বোল নাই এতিয়া if I give you the program all the time then you guys are not learning at all. It's more like I'm spoon feeding you guys. Therefore, no effort from you guys. I guess this function part already done in last semester. Second sem exam हुआ attend দেখোন সবে back খালা এবার তো পাস করে গলা anyone just answer me what is this function declaration or definition Dipashi already answered I want answer from others maybe they were not listening to you who wants to tell what is this what's happening here Dipashi you can unshare your screen it's fine I can share screen and I can show the program okay what happened to you guys what's happening here anyone what is this function what definition or declaration I need answer declaration okay what's the other name for this function we got function prototyping remember last time I asked you guys many times what is function prototyping or just prototype can you guys remember the word function prototype which is just your function declaration what's the difference between function declaration and definition if this one is declaration and this is your now what's the difference here function declaration and definition
Ma'am, the function name in function definition can be erased, or like we can remove it to create another function.
wait can you repeat again what did you say function
Ma'am, the function name. in the function definition, we can remove it to create another function.
No, this is not the thing. When we use function definition and declaration, what's the difference between declaration and definition? এই basic বস্তুবোৰ নাজানিলে কেনেকৈ হ'ব? How will you write program if you don't know how it works? Manish the programmer, जावा लिखते हो अगर सी पता नहीं चला तो जावा लिख के क्या फायदा? If you don't know the main parent program, then no point of learning object oriented programming. Before learning object oriented programming, you have to be very clear about the basic programming. Based on C, all programming language are built up from C++, then all object oriented, then Python. The base is still C. All the concepts will still remain same. Just that Python, MATLAB or whatever, they made it very easier. Most of the functions are already inbuilt. You don't need to do anything. But you have to know the underlying process. You need to know the concept. Declaration means what? You just declare the
Declare the function and its return type.
yes, you just declare the name of the function and what will it be? And the argument. There is no arguments inside this function. There is no argument. Correct? Therefore, if I write like int a, so this will be a parameter or argument to your function. That means to run this function, you need to provide an argument. Without this argument, you cannot run this program. Now here in this program, it's not taking any argument. So this is function declaration or you can say function prototyping. The main function, the main body of the function comes in the function definition. In the function definition, the main body of the function will be there. Is it clear now? If next time I ask, I'm not going to accept that everyone is mute or don't know asking. Pashti is speaking but cannot hear. Manish, you say, I told her, say, your voice is so like cannot even hear. You aren't saying like it's declaration. I was asking the another name. I wanted this answer function prototype. So what's happening next? So NQ, DQ and display function, you are just declaring the function which you are going to use later. First is define max 5 and why we have written this max here. What's the size of the queue array here? So this queue has been implemented using array, correct? It's an array. Using array, we are implementing a queue. So we also implemented stack using queue. What is the size of this array? Tell me what's the size of this array?
The size of into array,
Yeah, size of your queue. What is the size? We'll say 50. Correct, it's 50. Maximum size of your array is 50. That means you cannot insert more than 50 items inside your queue. So here, first you are initializing front and rear as -1. If you can remember the algorithm from the last time, I can share the slides of queue. So yeah, next task your one will be explain me this particular thing. What's happening here? In for loop, we need both initialization, comparison, and increment decrement, right? But here nothing is happening. I'm just giving two semicolons. So your next task is to find out how this thing works. Okay, write your task. Then now you are just giving options to your user. So using switch case, you are doing again just taking your the choices. Correct? This one should be clear by now. Using the case, you are just taking options from the user. So what's happening here in NQ? You have initialized one variable, the item you want to add. First condition you will check is the workflow condition. Okay, this meeting is going to end in 5 minutes. Wait. I I can end the meeting and you guys can join again. Okay? Okay, I'm ending the meeting. You guys join again. Just 5 minutes left.